Number 1, personal year. This is a very good year in which to start all new things. Not only will you find the mental stimulus and ambition to do so, but the necessary knowledge and opportunity as well. Take full advantage of it by putting every one of your talents or interests in the forefront. Make them known to everyone you come in contact with in a subtle way and watch the doors open for you. 1 is the number of leadership, so this is the year you must show what you can do. Take the reins in your club, organization, business, or home. Naturally, everyone cannot take over the business if they work for someone else, but they most certainly can demonstrate their ability in their own individual areas. Your employer is sure to notice you this year, and there could be a good promotion as a result from what you put forth now. Homemakers, too, can assert themselves. The family, or perhaps just a mate, must be directed and cared for. You can easily show all concerned how capable you are and earn this respect and appreciation that family living so much more enjoyable and comfortable. Put all your plans into action now, especially business ideas. See that you carry them out yourself after careful consideration. Give a great deal of thought to any business propositions that come your way now. There will likely be a most profitable one amongst them. Whatever creative forces you have within you will be making themselves known, because this is the appropriate time to exploit them. Inventive or innovative ideas will whirl around in your mind, just looking for an out. Take each one out and look it over. Then take to the people who are in a position to do something about it. They will admire your inventiveness. Travel will probably enter into this cycle for you, affording you a wealth of experiences to draw on in the future. New people will also come on the scene, which is good, because those coming into your life this year could have a bearing on your success. Cultivate each friendship and give your utmost to it, because you will find that these may well be the ones that last you a lifetime. Keep your mind open to anything and don't frown on whatever changes occur. They will be to your advantage and signify a beginning of new adventures to success and happiness. It always pays to get out of ruts, and this is a particularly good year to do so, because what you do now sets the pace for your entire 9-year cycle to follow. Never mind the middleman during this year. Take the initiative and do things yourself. Only you can explain exactly what you want and how you want it done. Above all, have courage and keep a positive outlook on everything.